Pause this video, give this problem a try, and when you have an answer, resume the video to see if you got the answer correct. This problem gives us the rate expression, and we have to determine what are the units of the rate constant, k. So the first thing that we should do is just determine the order in respect to each of the reactants. The order in respect to P is 1, the order in respect to Q is 1. And then we should add the orders together to get the total order. 1 plus 1 is 2, that's the total order. Then we're going to take the total order and subtract 1. So 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. And we're going to use this number to plug it in. Use this number and plug it into this formula to get the units for k. The units for k will always be equal to dm cubed multiplied by that number that we got here, moles to negative 1 multiplied by that number that we got there, and then some component of time, either seconds, minutes, or hours, to negative 1. So let's plug that in. We got a 1 right here, so we plug that in. Then we'll get dm cubed, because 3 times 1 is 3, moles to the negative 1, and then time, or in this case minutes, to negative 1. So then the answer will be B. We have dm cubed, mole to negative 1, and minute to negative 1. Let's say that when we did this, we got a total order of 3, and so we do 3 minus 1, that'll be 2. And so if our total order was indeed 3, then the units would be dm 6, because 3 times 2 is 6, moles to the negative 2, negative 1 times 2, negative 6, and then something like minutes, hours, or seconds to negative 1.
If you want to learn how to ace chemistry, if you want to learn what's the best way to study for this class, if you want to learn some neat tricks and tips to take into your exam and do better on them, then you should head over to my website and get this free guide, 12 Secrets to Acing Chemistry. You can head over to www.conquerchemistry.com/chemsecrets. I'm going to include a link in the description below. Check it out. I think it's really going to help you, and you're gonna like it. Until next time, keep working hard and continue the good work.